Hello guys, good day and welcome to class. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So welcome to our new lesson for this week. And on our lesson today, we shall be doing some exercises, okay? And the first exercise for today is complete the passage with words on the screen. So I will put some words on the screen for you to use to complete the passage. So now please listen very carefully, okay? Let me read the passage to you. Thank you. The title of the passage is Cow. Cow. The animal. Cow. So let's go. Cow is Dutch farm animal. Okay, Dutch means an open line or a missing word that you will have to complete. So the passage will have some missing words that you will have to complete it yourself. Okay, so let's start again. Cow is Dutch farm animal. A Dutch has 4 legs, 2 ears, and Dutch horns on the head. The cow gives us Dutch. Cow milk is good for Dutch. Cow skin is used Dutch making leather. A Dutch cow is called a calf. Cow sound is called Dutch. Cow live in Dutch. They eat Dutch and other Dutch. Cows Dutch a lot of Dutch. Cows Dutch live for 25 Dutch. Okay, so all these missing words, I want you to write them down using the words I have written on the screen. Okay, so don't forget, use these words on the screen to complete this passage. And now let's move on to section 2. In this section, I want you to choose yes or no to the sentences below. Okay, choose either yes or no to all the sentences below. So listen carefully. I will read out the sentences to you. 1. A cow is a farm animal. Yes or no. 2. Cows have 2 legs and 4 ears. Yes or no. 3. Cows can eat meat and fish. Yes or no. 4. Cow milk is good for our health. Yes or no. 5. Cow drink milk too. Yes or no. So choose yes or no to these sentences. Okay? Right now, let's move on to section 3. Fill in the blanks using the correct nouns, verbs, or pronouns. So we have A, B, and C. You have to choose which of these answers that you think is the most correct one. Please make sure you check the spellings because some words sounds the same, but the spellings are different. Make sure you check the spellings before you choose which one that you think is the correct one. So let's begin. 1. I found that hat. A. You. B. Your. C. You are. 2. She is Dutch girlfriend. A. Is. B. His. C. He is. Number 3. They dash good friends. A. Are. B. Dear. C. They are. Number 4. Do you have Dutch phone number? A. Am. B. My. C. Mine. Number 5. This bag is probably Dutch. A. You. B. Your. C. Yours. Number 6. There are 4 Dutch in the room. A. Box. B. Boxes. C. Boxes. Remember I told you some answers sounds the same, but the spellings are different. So do not forget to check the spellings before you choose the correct answers. Okay, so let's continue. Number 7. We need to peel the A. Potato. B. Potatoes. C. Potatoes. Number 8. How many Dutch are in the box? A. Photo. B. Photos. C. Photosis. Number 9. The Dutch are crying. A. Babies. B. Babies. C. Babies. Number 10. You should brush your Dutch at least twice a day. A. Tooth. B. Tooths. C. Teeth. So, choose the best suitable answers to these questions, and please make sure you complete all 3 sections. In case you do not know the answer to any of the sentences or any of the sections, please send a message to me and I will help you out. Okay, so that shall be all for our lesson today. Thank you very much for attending this class, and please be safe, be happy, and be healthy. Goodbye.